Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you need to upgrade your closet? I find there's nothing better to change or help to organize your closet by updating your hangers. Yes, your hangers. I am so impressed at the difference changing out my hangers with these velvet hangers that are Amazon Basics. So I got a set of 100 of these in black. They are so trim and slim. They take up very little space. I love just aesthetically looking at them and seeing them all match. It just gives me a sense of accomplishment to see my clothes on matching hangers, all neat for me in the closet. I have a long way to go with closet organization, but this one step of adding hangers was a huge step for me. And the best part is your clothes do not slip off. So I don't know about you, but I'm always finding my clothes in puddles on the floor. No matter how hard I try to hang them up right and take care of things, somebody always sneaks off the hanger and falls to the floor. Well, not since I've gotten these. The velvet hanger grips your clothing. So even the most slippery piece of clothing is going to stay exactly where you want it on the hanger. So all that work you went through of organizing your closet is not going to be ruined when you open it and you see a bunch of clothes on the floor, because everybody is going to stay where they're supposed to be. So I've been really pleased with this set. I got 100 in the black and they seriously deliver. They look good. They are very slim, so they take up less space than an ordinary hanger. And my clothes don't slip off. It's been so important to me. So if that's important to you, oh, do it. Do yourself a favor and get yourself some new hangers. You deserve something as simple and as satisfying as new hangers for your closet. And that is my point of view.